This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn off the address bar search history in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To turn off your search history in the address bar to prevent it from being displayed, like if you go up top here to the address bar, if I put my mouse cursor inside there, it displays my search history. And like when I'm making these tutorials and stuff, I don't want that to be displayed. The way to turn that off, it's very easy to do. You want to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Search. And then right down here, Address Bar. If these boxes are checked, all that stuff will be displayed within your search bar. When you put your mouse cursor in the address bar, it will be displayed. I'm going to turn all these off. Browsing history, bookmarks, open tabs, shortcuts, search engine, suggestions from Firefox. I'm going to turn all of them off. Now I'll go back up to the address bar. I'll put my mouse cursor in there. Now nothing is being displayed. But if I turn them all on, if I check all these boxes, all that information is being displayed. Now when I go back up to the address bar, put my mouse cursor in there. That is how to turn off your search history from your address bar in Firefox. Thanks for watching.